Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Code Blue Cam, and the title of it is how a man escaped deputies at 140 miles per hour before the surprise of his life. Let's get into the video, y'all.
On an afternoon in May 2024, Columbia County Sheriff's deputies were advised of a speeding motorcycle in Marelon, Wisconsin. As the radio transmission concluded, a deputy who was positioned along a highway spotted the 22-year-old rider of the red motorcycle flying past at 90 miles per hour. As the deputy tried to catch up, he saw the motorcycle overtaking vehicles on the shoulder and occasionally in the opposite lane of traffic.
325, there's a red motorcycle passing on the shoulder westbound, approximately 90 miles per hour, 33 Country Club. Still trying to catch up. Speeds right on the
10-4, 3325.
Probably a half mile ahead of me. Speeds at 92, 33 Garrison.
The pursuit was then called off due to safety concerns.
3325, I've lost visual. He's in the city at this point.
10-4, 3325.
I'll be 1040 continuing. I can't clear enough traffic to catch up.
10-4, 3325, what type of motorcycle?
It was a crotch rocket. He had a helmet on. I don't recall the color, and I believe a leather jacket. I'm sure on color.
3301, it just passed me at 3301 traffic.
Shortly after, another deputy reported that the motorcycle had passed by the law enforcement center, with several city officers also confirming they had seen it.
Still continuing, high rate of speed, east Coast. I will not pursue. Advise the return, please.
Additionally, the Columbia County Sheriff stated that the motorcycle had collided with his unmarked squad car, causing damage.
1050 to my squad here parked downtown. It is turning westbound on 16. 331 William Charles returns on a red Suzuki.
3325, that'll be the same description of a red Suzuki.
3300 edition. I was parked downtown with no lights on. He came by me. He did run into my squad with damage.
As he attempted to relocate the bike, he soon observed it in a neighborhood. The rider continued to flee erratically at a high rate.
Set of motorcycle similar to that description, West Cook heading back inbound into the city. I believe it's the same rider. I'm trying to catch up. Correction, eastbound from Pierce, so he's actually West Cook and Caston.
Oh yeah, he smoked, boy. Oh yeah, he smoked.
I'm behind him attempting to stop him.
Game time, baby. Let's go.
10-4, 3325.
It's game time now.
He went through the red light south on Wisconsin.
10-4, through the red light south of Wisconsin.
Due to the deputy's concerns about the high speeds and heavy traffic, he decided to discontinue the pursuit.
3325, 1080, I'm gonna discontinue. Last southbound, Wisconsin and Buckhead. He's a well ways ahead of me.
3325, copy 1080, discontinuing.
Since they found the man's name through his license plates, they attempted to visit the address linked to the registered bike. However, they discovered he had recently moved, prompting the need for further investigation. The sheriff's office made a Facebook post about the individual, giving him the opportunity to reach out and provide an explanation for his behavior. During that, it was learned another deputy had coincidentally encountered the man earlier that same day during a traffic stop, where he mentioned purchasing a new home nearby. Using realtor websites, a deputy located 3 recently sold homes in the area. The following day, the deputy visited one of the 3 addresses and spoke with a neighbor. The neighbor informed them that a young man had moved in within the past few days and that he owned a black and red sport bike. The deputy asked the neighbor to call back upon seeing the man return to his residence. Later, the neighbor did call back, reporting that the man had just returned home and had seen the motorcycle. In response, other deputies were notified and decided to pay a visit to his residence. As they arrived, deputies...
Hold on. I know he about to be sick, bruh. Dick, he about to be so sick right now. Like, yo, you weaving in and out, you getting away. They can't pursue you. Like, yo, but they went through all this trouble to track you down. Oh yeah, you gonna learn, boy.
Noticed the motorcycle parked and covered in the garage.
Oh, it's showtime, baby.
After several minutes of knocking with no response, the sergeant decided to give the door a try.
For sure he's home. There he is.
You done.
Hello?
Hi there, how are you?
You good? How about you?
Good. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to talk, okay?
Okay. No.
So, you know why we're here?
Yep.
Okay. So, why would we be here?
Probably because of my motorcycle.
Okay. You have an ID with you? You don't need to go in and get it, just... Okay. Before you go reaching in the car, man, you got any weapons in there or anything? Okay. So what about the motorcycle?
Yesterday.
Okay. What happened yesterday? It wasn't working, so...
Going 100.
Going 100? Yeah. Well, why'd you do that?
I had a really bad day, and I wanted to blow off some steam, and I just wasn't paying attention to what my speed was. And then I saw one, and then I just...
Saw one what?
Cop car, and then I just kept going. Because
Why didn't you stop for him, man?
Dude, I couldn't fucking lose my license. I was freaking the fuck out.
It's a speeding ticket, though.
Oh, but like the thing is, I just bought this house, and I have a job, and that was all that was going through my mind. I was like, dude, I can't lose my license. I just bought this house.
You done.
So, you know,
It wasn't.
Just
relax, man. Just talk to me. It was a speeding ticket, so I mean, when the cop turned around,
I honestly thought about just crashing my bike and killing myself. I'm not gonna lie.
over a speeding ticket.
Yes, dude.
It's not worth it. It's a speeding ticket.
My experience with cops has been awful, and I don't know, my life was just going good, so I was like, I either end it right now as it's going good, or like I try and get away, and that's what I did.
Okay.
So I'm sorry.
You saw his license sirens. I mean, it's one of those.
I mean, I didn't see the first guys, but the second dude, yeah.
Okay. So you took off because you didn't want to lose your license?
Yeah.
How fast did you get up to?
140.
Okay. In town?
Out of town.
Out of town. Sounds like you were going pretty fast in city too.
Yeah.
Lose some red lights.
One of them, yeah.
Sounds like you got in a crash too.
Yeah, I lost a mirror.
How bad's the bike damaged?
Just this.
That's it?
That's it.
Didn't hurt yourself?
Nope, I didn't hurt myself.
When he learned who he had crashed into, he realized the state of his shit was even deeper.
Who'd you crash into?
Some guy in a black, SUV just tried to pin me against another car.
You know who you crashed into?
I have no idea.
The actual sheriff himself.
Oh.
You done!
Okay. Kind of dangerous. You know it's not okay to take off from the police, right?
I know.
All right. You know that when the lights come on, you have to stop. When the sirens come on, you definitely need to stop, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you heard the lights and sirens. You just didn't want to lose your license.
Yeah, I was freaking out, dude.
Okay.
It was on my adrenaline rush. Yeah.
Why didn't you just call us afterwards and say I made a mistake?
I don't know. I was freaking out.
It's all over Facebook now.
Yeah.
They kind of tried to give you an opportunity to just kind of make it right. All right, man. So you know that you can't flee. You know that's fleeing and eluding, right?
I didn't think about anything yesterday.
Okay. You know that if you get in a crash, you're required to stop. You can't just keep going. Okay. You do know that?
I honestly didn't think I did too much, to be honest.
Doesn't matter if you're involved in a crash, right?
Hit and run.
You hit a car.
Yeah.
You're required to stop and report that. You're required to stop for the red and blue lights and siren.
Yeah,
Can't run.
I have no excuses. Truly, I have nothing. But
Can't run stop signs, stop lights, and all that stuff. Okay.
No, I was just. I bought a lawnmower to mow the lawn because I had a house party yesterday, and it didn't fucking start, and I was cranking it like 45 times, and I was fucking pissed off. And my mom was like, "Oh, you're gonna go for a motorcycle ride, cool down?" And I don't know why the fuck I decided to, but yeah, there's that.
What all do you have on you right now?
Nothing.
Okay. All right. All right, man. You are under arrest. Okay.
All right.
Felony, fleeing, eluding, and hit and run. Bring your hand there. There you go. Let your hands go. Let your hands go. Thank you. You want your phone?
Grab it in there.
Is your phone in here?
It's on the.
Oh, on the.
Is it all right if I grab it?
Yeah,
I'm just gonna stay with you. Okay.
Yep. Having a nice day. Besides.
Just starting my day. I do appreciate you coming to the door and talking to me, okay?
Yeah, no problem.
Sometimes we just got things we gotta get taken care of, right?
Yeah. Am I staying overnight?
You'll be staying until you see a judge, bud. You got at least one felony, if not two, okay?
I'm gonna reach over you, so lean back as best as you can. I know it's hard with the cops, okay?
I appreciate you collaborating, okay? I've talked to Sergeant who was the one in the chase yesterday. Yeah. He's asking if you would continue to collaborate a little bit. Can we get your helmet and your leathers? Oh, yeah. Where's it at?
Are these the right shoes?
Yeah, do I have to lose the shoes?
Huh?
Do you guys have to take the shoes?
Hey, Garrett?
Yeah.
Did you see the Facebook post?
No, I don't really use Facebook.
All right, did you know about it?
No.
I think it was on the sheriff's page, and it was on the, some news page, local, Columbia County scanner or something. Basically, it was asking for cooperation that you just call us and reach out and talk to us about the incident.
Let's stand right over here for me, man.
Sounds like the booking sheet paperwork should be here for him.
As a result, the 22-year-old male was charged with 2 counts of felony vehicle, fleeing, eluding an officer, and misdemeanor hit and run. On top of that, he racked up over $2,500 in traffic citations for every single wrong move he made during the—
Wait. A hit and run is a misdemeanor? What? Since when? Since when is a hit and run a misdemeanor? I didn't know that. I thought it was a felony. Oh, man. What? I ain't know that.
pursuit. He was ultimately released a few days later on a $500 cash bond.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.